Hi, I'm Justine Roy, and I work for Health Imperatives, Plymouth WIC program. WIC stands for Women, Infants, and Children. I'm the program director, and I'm also a program nutritionist. I have 7 years of WIC experience, and I'm also a registered dietitian. The WIC program is such a special program. It provides so many great services, some of them being nutrition education, which you'll receive by a degreed nutritionist. You'll get breastfeeding support by an experienced breastfeeding peer counselor, and you'll also get free, healthy, nutritious foods. I thought I'd share some of my favorite shopping and cooking tips. For shopping, it is extremely important for me to go through my cabinets before I head to the store. I want to see what I already have on hand so I'm not buying duplicates or extra items that I don't need. Before I did this, I would buy so many items at the store that I didn't need because I already had it or I was just unorganized at the store. This has saved me a lot of money. I also organize my shopping list based on my store's layout. That way I can make one trip around the store instead of going back and forth across the store. It saves me so much time and I feel so much more accomplished when I leave the store. Especially during these times, it's helpful to limit time in the grocery stores if possible. In regards to cooking, one of my favorite meal ideas is a meal bowl. It's along the same lines as if you went to a Chipotle. They usually start with your starch, then they add a protein, and then they add vegetables and any toppings that you'd like on your meal bowl. When I make my meal bowls at home, I alternate between a whole grain and a non-whole grain. So something like white rice or basmati rice, and then I'll do a whole grain like a brown rice or a quinoa. It also helps me switch it up a little bit so I don't get as sick of the meal bowls. It feels like I'm eating a different meal every time I have one. I like to switch it up between meats for my protein and then also a vegetarian source. So one of my favorite go-tos that's inexpensive and really easy to do are black beans. Black beans are an option on the WIC program. So I crack open that can of black beans, I drain them and I rinse them, and then I put them on top of my starch. After that, I choose my vegetable. You are eligible to get a fruit and vegetable check on the WIC program. It depends if you like a little extra crunch or if you want something warm. You could saute some vegetables or you could do a raw vegetable. One of my favorites is sauteed peppers and onions to go on top of my meal bowl. And one of my favorite toppings is a homemade dressing that I make. The ingredients are Dijon mustard, honey, olive oil, and lemon juice. You just need a little bit to add so much flavor. If I have any left over, I'll marinate some chicken or I'll put it on top of a salad. And not to mention, it's extremely healthy. Another way to add flavor would be to make a fresh black bean salsa. You would use black beans, canned corn, a little bit of olive oil, chopped red onion, and some lemon juice, little salt to taste, and you can put that on top of your meal bowl as well too. All these ingredients that we're talking about are extremely healthy, so you can feel good after you have it. Again, it's extremely important to switch up your meal bowls so you're not having the same thing over and over. Because of the financial crisis and COVID, a lot of families are applying for the WIC program, not only across the state, but across the country. There's so many things to worry about right now. Just know that WIC is here to help. We're making everything a lot easier because we're doing all appointments over the phone. If you think that you or someone else might be interested in the WIC program, you can click the link or give us a call. For the Mid-Cape and Islands, call 508-771-7896, or for the Plymouth area, give us a call at 508-747-4933. WIC is here to help. Stay safe. Thanks for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.